All right. So yeah, hi guys. The update for today is I watched a couple of masterclass or workshops from the IMS YouTube channel of decision making from Shashank Prabhu, and one of Parajumbles from Kumud Chaudhary. I did that, and with that I also did revision of quants. I mean, it's been almost a week. I have revised, so to keep that in check, I did revision today. Just read the things and didn't solve anything. Just read the things just to revise it once of quants. And with that, I also did a couple of in the IMS mocks. There is a group in that they have shared a couple of workshops. I did one of those. And that will be mostly it for today. And I forgot. I did also a bit of geometry today, new topics, just doing the basics and mid-level questions to them so that I can solve the questions from the XAT. Also, we'll be doing previous year questions from tomorrow. Maybe 2008 paper. I will solve 2008 paper tomorrow. And yeah, that will be it for today. I will just a bit of everything I did today. Nothing. I didn't solve anything. Just watch the videos of them. And yeah, that will be it for today. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.